Hey everyone, it's Norm here from IMCARS. I've got the Ferrari 296 GTB here in Monte Carlo, Monaco, and today we're going to drive the full Formula One track of the world famous Grand Prix. Let's get in the car and go. So we got the start button here, sort of. Let's see, there we go. And then we're going to put it in drive mode, paddle, and go. Monaco hairpin, very busy, all kinds of car spotters, and literally 1 minute ago I saw Ferrari Enzo and Maserati MC12. Crazy expensive pair. Entrance to the F1 track. So this goes underneath the hotel. So I think at night all the cars come out and send it through here. Monaco Yacht Club on the left. Of course, a couple Ferraris and nice cars outside there. So we got lots of nice boats on the left. Some serious money out here in Monaco. This is the actual F1 track, so you're going to see here that they divert traffic here during the race. They come through this little chicane. And then they're on this stretch around, so you can see all the stands, which is pretty crazy, pretty cool to see. And pretty cool to actually be driving on in a Ferrari. And then over here on the left, this is the pit lane, so this is where the race teams actually service their cars. And then kind of cool, you actually got a bunch of restaurants here, which are actually on the F1 track. And of course you can see everyone taking photos of us in the car. More grandstands, super cool to see. Watch the race now that we've driven the track, so you can kind of coordinate where you are a little bit better. And then up here straight ahead we've actually got Bugatti of Monaco, which is kind of cool. There's a blue Chiron in there, which we saw the other day. People running everywhere. And this is another one of the big straightaways. all-new hybrid Ferrari. So we've got the 3-liter twin-turbo V6 engine paired with a hybrid drivetrain as well. So this car is 820 horsepower. So it is very fast when you want it to be fast. And you can drive it full electric as well. So kind of unique, kind of interesting, but you don't hear the engine. So I feel like with a Ferrari like this, you've gotta hear the engine.
Isn't the noise half the fun?
The noise, I think the noise makes the car feel a lot faster and better than it is. I personally think the car actually sounds quite tame. So we're gonna veer here to the right, and you'll see this is gonna take us through Casino Square. So there'll be lots of really crazy cars outside right now. We'll see what is actually out front today. This is Sunday, and it's about, call it 3 o'clock. So we'll see what is actually outside. Down here, you can actually see the passengers, got the passenger display, so you can change music. This has like speed, RPM, gear, all that, so really cool for the passenger. They can turn that off if they don't like it.
Charge your door open.
Pardon me?
Charge your door open.
I don't know what that says. It's in French, so I have no idea. Something.
And the Monte Carlo Casino is ahead of us.
Yep, that is the famous casino. It is really nice. We went inside there for dinner the other night, and I've spent countless hours outside looking at the crazy cars here. It's unlike anything else in the world, the amount of crazy cars parked outside this casino, no matter what time of day. It can be early in the morning, afternoon, late at night. It is something else. Here it actually shows, oh well, once this warning goes away, let's see if I can hit it off. There we go. Avenue de Monte Carlo. It shows the casino right there. It's the all new digital display on the Ferrari 296, and we got a Ferrari 599 GTO there. Let this guy go through. Got a Murcielago SV ahead, one of 186 in the world. I don't know who's going. Maybe I'll go then. Yeah, we got a Murcielago SV up there, Rolls Royce, and look at all the people. Just crazy. I'll take this. Everyone's got their cameras out filming us, but we're filming them. Oh my god, Revuelto. That has got to be one of the first Revueltos in the world. of the hairpins. So we're back at the start of the famous Monaco hairpin. Right where we started. Come around. And look at all the car spotters there. Pretty cool. So that is driving the full Monaco, Monte Carlo F1 Grand Prix circuit. I don't know how long it took, maybe 10 minutes or so. But we got lots of content coming from Monaco, Monte Carlo, or Monte Carlo, Monaco rather. So check out our other videos. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, if you could do me a huge favor, click the like button down below, check out some of our other videos on the channel, and be sure to subscribe. It literally takes 1 second, and it helps our channel out grow immensely. I actually like that one the best. The final one's